Hi guys, welcome to C2C Mentors. My name is Ketan and today I'm going to discuss the placement report of SIBM Pune for batch 2020. It's a final placement report and trust me, it's a fabulous placement as far as the SIBM Pune is concerned. I've been following SIBM Pune from couple of years now and definitely the college had a couple of ups and downs also. But this is an amazing comeback from SIBM Pune. So I'm going to actually take you through the entire report. So let's begin out here. Okay. So we will not get into the anyway, so the 90 organizations came on the campus and there were like around about 186 offers were made, 87 pre-placement offers. So PPOs were given 87, which is a decent number. Would expect a little bit more than that, but that's okay. So the numbers as far as the placements are concerned, we'll kind of take it a little later. But let's go step by step as far as the numbers are concerned. Okay, so this is the number that has been posted by SIBM Pune. The report is available on their website also. 34.26 lakhs is what the highest CTC, which is a decent number. It's not, I mean, definitely, like if you compare, SIBM Pune with Narsim Monjor, if you compare SIBM Pune with Jamnalal Bajaj, there is always, kind of a cutthroat competition because these guys are on kind of a same category altogether. And there's always a tough fight between these 3-4 colleges. So yeah, I mean, if you look at the numbers are close, as far as the top package is concerned. Now, the one thing which is something that I really like is that these guys have given the average CTC of female students and the average CTC of male students, and amazingly the female number is actually higher than the male number. But again, I mean, like the margin is not that huge, but again it's a beautiful representation by the college saying that they really want to give you female numbers also. That kind of shows that even the opportunity for girls out there is actually equal. So that's something really good. Okay, now let's look out for this. So 90 recruiters, 186 offers. The offers are amazing. What I liked about this is that they're saying that 28% of the offers that were made out of the total offers, like they were like 100 offers, so like 28% of that. So 28% offers were actually made in the Fortune listed companies. Okay, now that is something really good thing because if the 28% offers are coming from the Fortune 500 companies globally, right, which definitely includes global company itself, then I think that's a good number, and I think that's a good sign because when you have Fortune 500 companies coming on the campus or those brands coming on the campus, that shows the brand equity, that shows the the power of brand as an SIBM Pune. And I'll tell you, by the way, SIBM as a brand, right, whatever performance that they have currently, that definitely gonna get cascaded to SIBM Bangalore, SIBM Pune. So SIBM Hyderabad. So SIBM as a brand, right, you have branches in Pune, Bangalore, and you have in Hyderabad. So definitely that kind of an impression, or let's say that kind of a benefit will also kind of get trickled down to Bangalore and Hyderabad campus also, because definitely it's a brand that's an SIBM. Now the median CTC is around about 18.50 lakh per annum. And this is what I really like about the report. So whenever I see any college putting across the median number rather than the average number, so median is something I really kind of focus at. So 18.50 lakh per annum, it's a decent number. Honestly, it's a good number. Could have done a little bit more than this. Now, if you look at the average CTC, which is 27.28 lakh, that's top 50. So if you're in top 50, right, academically, as far as the SIBM Pune is concerned, then definitely you can see yourself getting into this category. Likewise, top 100 students is 23.59, close to 24, and top 150 students is around about 21. So the numbers are really good. So as far as the placements are concerned, number wise, the packages are concerned, definitely they are very promising, and they have actually increased the benchmark this time. Now what we're going to do is we're going to kind of walk you through the couple of other stats also. Third most competitive B school in the country 2019. I absolutely agree with this because we will see SIBM Pune folks, SIBM Pune students getting in most of the kind of competition, having their presence in a lot of colleges like the IIMs, and they'll go everywhere, and you can see that the students participated in these corporate competitions like arranged by Colgate and Nestle and all that, and I'm very sure they must have done very well out there. So that's it kind of a thing. Now marketing got the highest package of 34.26 lakhs per annum, out of which 46% students offered PPO. That's amazing. That's close to 50% bacha log are getting PPO. Now if you remember, I posted a video a couple of days back when I talked about summer placement of SIBM Pune. For the fact the summer placement was amazingly good, you can see that impact having on the final placement also, right? So fair enough. So let's have a look at, so I mean, marketing ke liye SIBM Pune is absolutely fantastic. There is no doubt about it. And you can pause the video, or you can download this report from their website and have a look at the companies that are visiting the campus. So that's the marketing. I would actually appreciate if they could have given the average package for marketing student. I think that kind of gives us a really good picture. HR, that's the second best specialization I'll say, looking at the number in SIBM Pune. So after marketing, definitely HR, they are like very, very well known for. So 34.26 is what the highest package is for HR. Also 24% of the students have got the PPO, but trust me, this number is okay type, because you will not see a lot of people opting for HR. Anyway, in all the colleges, the HR numbers are a little lesser. Fine. So you can look at the couple of let's say recruiters. The recruiter list looks good. I would kind of wanted to see a couple of recruiters, but I don't see them out here. Michael Page and all that. That's okay. Not a problem. Finance. I'm a little disappointed looking at the finance number. The highest package in finance is like 20 lakh per annum. Wherein most of the colleges, the finance placements are actually getting at the top level. So and that's the reason, like a lot of students ask me, sir, Narsi Munji ya fir, Narsi Munji, like the main campus, Mumbai wala, Juhu wala campus, ya fir SIBM Pune for finance particularly. So I would always kind of advise that NMIMS is doing pretty good. The main campus, they are doing pretty good as far as finance is concerned. And even in marketing, these guys are like, like they're like cutthroat competition, like shoulder to shoulder. So there is not a much difference. But yeah, in finance, I think the difference is really prominent, and you can see that. Again, these are the recruiters. You can kind of pause the video and look at that. I think surprisingly, operation has done better than the finance roles. I mean, that's something quite surprising. But anyway, you can have the same recruiters, mere khayal se. So 23 lakhs per annum is the highest package for operations. So overall, if you look at, these guys have done phenomenally well. Their placements have actually gone up by the margin of 20%, close by. Again, it's a ballpark number that I'm giving you, but they're phenomenally good. So if you're somebody who has written Snap right now, and if you're somebody who is actually waiting for SIBM Pune call, trust me, this is something you don't really want to miss. This is something you really don't want to miss, and that's the reason if you're getting a call, prepare really, really hard as far as your interviews are concerned, because it's a mighty performance from SIBM Pune at this point in time. If this college wasn't doing that well, looking at the SIBM Pune as a brand which has been there in the market now, but trust me, these guys have these guys have kind of come back amazingly, and I'm very sure the next year the numbers are going to be even more promising. So guys, that's it from my side. I hope you kind of enjoyed and liked this review. So yeah, that's it from my side for the SIBM Pune placement. I will be coming across, rather I am going to make a couple of more videos on the symbiosis based colleges like SIIB and SMHRD. So stay tuned to my channel. If not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay updated with the information. Thank you so much, guys.